Hello children, today I have multiple choice questions for you. Those are given in the lesson The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role, given in your book Hornbill. Let's see the question number 1 now. This is an article written by Indira Gandhi, Mr. Al K. Jha, Naini Palkhiwala or DuPont. And here the right option is option C, Naini Palkhiwala. Let's see question number 2 now. That is, where was this article published? Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Indian Express or National Daily. And here we have option C is correct. That is the Indian Express. Let's see question number 3 now. What issue did the author raise in this article? Options are declining health of the earth, poverty, unemployment or dowry system. Here we have option A is correct, that is declining health of the earth. Next we have question number 4 now. Where was the world's first nationwide Green Party found? And options are America, India, Nepal or New Zealand. Here we see option D is correct, that is New Zealand. Next question number 5 now. In which year was the world's first nationwide Green Party found? And options are 1970, 1960, 1962 and 1972. Here we have option D is correct, that is 1972. Next we have question number 6 now. Who stated that the earth and the other planets revolved around the sun? And options are Ptolemy, Aristotle, Galileo and Copernicus. Here we have option D is correct, Copernicus. Next we have question number 7 now. What does the earth's vital signs reveal? Options are a monument, a patient in declining health or blooming flowers or happiness on the earth. And here we have option B is right, that is a patient in declining health. Next we have question number 8. When was the concept of sustainable development popularized? Options are in 1989, in 1988, in 1887 or in 1987. Here we have option D is correct, that is in 1987. Next we have question number 9. What concept was popularized by the World Commission on Environment and Development in 1987? Here options are inter alia, catastrophic depletion, a holistic approach or sustainable development. Here we have option D is correct, that is sustainable development. Next we have question number 10, that is, where does the notice read the world's most dangerous animal? And options are in the museum at New Delhi, in a park at Dhaka, in the zoo at Lusaka or it's in a movie. Here we see option C is correct, that is in a zoo at Lusaka, Zambia. Next we have question number 11 now. Who raised this question? Are we to leave our successors a scorched planet of advancing deserts, impoverished landscapes and ailing environment? Options are Hunter Commission, Butler Commission, Simon Commission and Brandt Commission. Here we have option D is correct, that is Brandt Commission. Next we have question number 12 now. Name the distinguished Indian who was one of the members of Brandt Commission. And here options are Mrs. S. Ganguly, Mr. R. K. Verma, Mr. L. K. Jha or none of these. Here we have option C is correct, that is Mr. L. K. Jha. Next we see question number 30 now. That is, which book by Mr. Lester R. Brown points out the Earth's principal biological systems? Here options are the National Park, the National Zoo, the Earth or Global economic prospect. Here we have option D is correct, that is the global economic prospects. Next we have question number 14. How many principal biological systems are pointed by Mr. Brown? 5, 4, 3 or 2. Here we have right answer, that is given here in option number B, that is 4. Next we have a look at question number 15 now. What will the grasslands turn into if systems become unsustainable? Options are lush green, full of water, full of flowers, or barren wastelands. And here option D is correct, that is barren wastelands. Next we have question number 16 now. Why are local forests being reduced in poor countries? And options are to get water, to get air, to get firewood for cooking, all of these. And here we see option C is correct, that is to get firewood for cooking. Next, question number 17. What are the principal biological systems by Mr. Lester R. Brown? Options are fisheries, forests, grasslands and croplands. Next is water, light, sun and earth. Next, option C, sun, moon, stars and water. And option D is none of these. Here, right answer is option A, fisheries, forests, grasslands and croplands. Next we have a look at question number 18 now. What forms the foundation of the global economic system according to Mr. Brown? Options are sustainable development, inter alia, awareness or principal biological systems. Here we have option D is correct, that is principal biological systems. Next is question number 19. What is common every day in a protein conscious and protein hungry world? Singing, listening to music, playing or overfishing. Here option D is correct, that is overfishing. Next we see, dear children, question number 20 now. What is the powerhouse of evolution in the words of Dr. Myers? And options are given: water, electricity, tropical forest or sunlight. And the right answer is tropical forest. Question number 21. Which article of the Constitution of India provides that states shall try to protect and improve the environment? Options are 47B, 48B, 47A or 48A. The right answer is given here in option D, that is 48A. Next, we have question number 22 now. What is one of the strongest factors that is distorting the future of human society? And options are forests, water bodies, growth of world population or all of these. And out of these four options, right option is option C, that is growth of world population. Next we have question number 23 now. What is the best contraceptive for overpopulation? And options are saving money, saving water, development or all of these. And here we have the right option is option C, development. Next we have question number 24. What is holistic and ecological view? Here four options are rainwater harvesting, saving electricity, the preservation of the environment or saving trees. And here the right option is option C, the preservation of the environment. Next we have question 25. What has a most crucial role to play in this new era of responsibility? Options are agriculture, fishery, industry and all of these. And here we have right option is option C, that is industry. Next we have question number 26 now. At what rate are the forests in India depleting? And options are at the rate of 3.7 billion acres a year. Next is Option B, at the rate of 1.7 million acres a year. Option C, at the rate of 2.7 million acres a year. And option D is none of these. And the right option we have is option A, that is at the rate of 3.7 billion acres a year. Next we have question number 27. Who spoke, no generation has a freehold on this earth? All we have is a life tenancy with a full repairing lease. And options are Mr. Ezra S. Bullard, Mr. L. K. Jha, Rajiv Gandhi, or Margaret Thatcher. And the right option is option D, that is Margaret Thatcher. Thanks for watching, dear children. Stay connected with SR Studio English.